Blizzard warning remains in effect from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday above 3,500 feet. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday above 2,000 feet. Dangerous blizzard conditions expected. Heavy snow and strong winds will lead to whiteout conditions at times. Snow accumulations of 1 to 4 feet expected, heaviest above 3,000 feet in elevation. Southwest to west. Winds will gust as high as 45 miles per hour at pass level and as high as 65 miles per hour for the higher ski resort elevations. Affected locations include Cascades in Lane County. Winter storm warning in effect above 2,000 feet. Blizzard warning in effect above 3,500 feet. From 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds will occasionally result in whiteout conditions Tuesday through Wednesday. Poor visibility and rapid snow accumulation of up to 2 inches per hour will result in dangerous conditions for even the most experienced of drivers Tuesday night, and into Wednesday. Strong winds and heavy snow may bring down tree limbs, leading to power outages. Increasingly cold and windy conditions will make the outdoors hazardous for the unprepared. After a period where snow levels are well above the Cascade passes Monday night, snow levels will plummet to around 2,000 to 2,500 feet by midday Tuesday, then remain around 2,000 feet through Wednesday. Travel Tuesday through early Wednesday should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, make sure your cell phone is charged, make sure someone knows where you're going, and be sure to have a winter survival kit with you. To learn what should be in a winter survival kit, visit www.ready.gov/car. If you and your vehicle become stranded, call for help and stay with your vehicle. For the latest road conditions, call 511 or visit for Oregon, https://www.tripcheck.com, and for Washington, https://ws.com/travel/real-time/map.